What's up guys? So today I'm going to share with you on how I was able to fix the leak on my Honda Civic LXI 1999. This is on the passenger side where the ECU is located. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is go ahead and loosen up this glove box right over here by pressing on the sides that holds the glove box. And then once it's released, go ahead and crawl under the dashboard, and boom, as you can see, there's a hole right over there. And I don't know if something fall off from that hole, but it's not made by a rust or something. It seems that it's been there since it was manufactured because it's square, right? And as you can see, there are already markings of rust because it's been there for a while. I've been really trying to figure out where the leak is coming from, and luckily we were able to find it. And you know what? This caused a lot of troubles on this car already, so watch out for my upcoming videos because I'm going to share with you everything that has happened on this car. But first, let's go ahead and clean up all of those mess, and look how dirty it is. Okay, this is rust, so make sure to remove it, okay, because it's gonna cause a lot of problems. It's gonna eat up on your chassis, or it's gonna eat up all the metal parts that are exposed. Now it's time for us to patch that hole with some sealant, and I'll go ahead and post a link on the description down below for the product that I use on this video. Just make sure that the hole is already clean before you apply sealant so that it will stick to the metal or the surface, okay? Alright, so there you go. We're done patching up the hole, and make sure that you clean all of this mess right over here, okay? And let's see if it's completely sealed. Oh no! As you can see, there is a hole in there, so we need to make sure that everything is covered and there are no hole, no matter how small it is. So I'm gonna put another sealant on this part. Boom, and there you go. It's completely sealed to me, so I think we're all good with this part. But wait, there's more. We're not done yet. Okay, let's go outside, and now we move on to the wiper cover. Let's remove all the clips in here. All right, there are also clips on the other side on this part, so make sure to remove it gently, okay, so that you're not gonna break the clips. Don't do what I did. I almost break all of the clips for this wiper cover. Look at those clips. There you go. I have a link on the description down below for the cover clips that I use on this video. Clean all of this dirt, okay? This is the perfect time for you to do that. Let's go ahead and check the other side as well. On this part, there is a thin metal plate in here and a square box of some sort. I don't know for what purpose it is. If you guys know it, go ahead and comment it down below, okay? Alright, now that the motor for the wipers is also exposed, it's the perfect time for you to clean it, because I think this part of the car hasn't been touched for the life of the car. Alright, so this is the perfect time for that. Okay, and this is what I did. So I'm not quite sure if there is a hole inside of that, but just to make sure everything is sealed, I sprayed it with a liquid sealant. Alright, because it's very hard to identify, but hey, there is a leakage inside your car, so it must be coming from a hole somewhere in here. So it's a good thing to do that. Here is the liquid sealant that I used for this video. I'll go ahead and post a link in the description down below. So if this video was helpful for you, go ahead to like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you want more of this kind of videos. Thank you for watching.